Yo, 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 what up, YouTube BX? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, ipod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue on my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy. So, I have some items in front of me now. Let me give you guys a little fast update what happened. I was originally wanting to do this update, this unboxing with everything, and basically let me tell you what happened. Big shout out to Glorious. I'm going to explain in a few seconds what basically happened. But when I got my package today, my package was opened by UPS. This is not the first time I've received items that's open by using UPS. I really hate UPS as a company because there's many times that I use this company and my item's been damaged, opened, or they just plain stole things from out of my packages. That's why I really hate UPS with a fullest. I hate all carriers, but at least when I have a problem when it comes with FedEx and with USPS, I never really had problems when it comes towards damages and stuff like that. I always take videos and show everything that happens when I get packages. Y'all know I'm an unboxing channel, but for the purpose of what happened with this, I'm not gonna upload that video. I don't want to give Glorious a bad name. It's not their fault of what happened. And I say this again 110%. It is not their fault of what happened whatsoever. So that's the reason why I'm not going to upload that video towards it. But it's not them, it's UPS. That's why I'm making this statement at the beginning of this video. UPS always gives me problems. If y'all see the backup videos that I have with complaints, you see everything that I receive from UPS most of the time is either damaged or my items is not there, and UPS seem like these steal items. That's out the way. Let's get towards this. Let me just give you a fast update. They're hooking your boy up with some freaking Gatoron blues, and I was originally supposed to got the Gatoron red. That's the item I was actually taken out, but PC Race told me, Glorious basically told me that I had some kailh box reds. I've never used kailhs before. Not kailhs, but box red switches before, so I don't know how box reds are. My friend just ordered me some. He just told me that the box reds is better than the cherries, the regular cherry reds. I don't know about that. I'm used to all MX and kailhs. I'm used to the regular kailh blues, both cherry MX, blues and reds and browns and silvers and blacks. I'm used to those switches, but I've never used box switches at all. This one is a regular pro, so this is not a box. These are new. Aura Keycaps. Let's unbox this thing. Enough telling you guys like that. Like I said, big shout outs to Zach. Big shout outs to Glorious for fixing everything, dealing with everything. You know, I sent them the pictures and stuff like that. But I do have the video, but at the point, I'm not going to upload that video towards this video at all because I don't want nobody saying anything about it. Glorious is a good company. They make good stuff, and nothing that they did was their fault whatsoever. It was the shipping, not the shipper, the shipping, the company that they shipped to, which was UPS. They kind of fucked everything up. So, yeah. And it wasn't the company before that actually got it and shipped it to UPS. It was UPS, because this is not the first time I've done it. But that out the way, that disclaimer out the way. Let's get to these purple switches. I've never used, actually yes I do. I've had no I didn't. I think I had pinks. My keyboard, my freaking my space bar, not my space bar, my keycap on my Ajaz keyboard has, I think it's either purple or pink switches. So yeah, the other one I have is actually pink. So these are the purples. Oh, these look really nice. So on my other keyboard I have pink switches, which I'll show you that in a few minutes. So when you get this, you get a stem to actually straighten it out if your stems is actually bent. You get that, little tweezers. You get the sticker from Glorious. You get the booklets and all that good stuff, but I really want to test out these switches. Oh, it's no clicky. Oh snap, that's actually, there's no click. Okay, there we go. Yo, this might be better than freaking Reds. It legit has no sound, no clicking. Oh, snap. So since I got these, I don't think I should have ordered those boxes that my homeboy's actually picking up. My homeboy's actually going, ordering me some kailh black. I'm sorry, some kailh box reds. He said it's gonna cost me like $27. I would have just reordered it off of Glorious website, but it's like $40. He said he found it for me for like 27 with next day delivery, so it'll come tomorrow. So when I get those box reds tomorrow, I'm gonna have to put it to the test because I've never had shit. All right, let's open up these keycaps right here, the auras. Gotta hurry up before my time is up. Okay, so we get that. That's what's up. We get the stickers and stuff inside of it. So I'm gonna be putting these on my other keyboard, and I'm gonna check it out. These are the putties right here. I do like the way how it comes packaged. But guys, that's my video right there. I'm gonna catch you guys in a separate video. I'm gonna put this on my other keyboard and basically show you guys how it is. So it's your boy Daddy Easy here, ipod jailbreak hacker, only using me tomahawks, and I'll catch you guys later. Remember, live it, love it, game it. Peace and deuces, and I'll catch you guys later. Whoa, holla.